Hi, this is Greg Lazarchek from Lazar Scientific, and next to me is
Michael Zelma, also from Lazar Scientific. Welcome to Flash Point Fridays.
And today we're going to talk about our new Series 3 Flash Point family.
I'm excited.
So am I. So let's go about it. What are the new features?
All right, well, probably the biggest new feature that you can see right away is the new touchscreen. That it's a touchscreen, and it's significantly larger now. Why don't you tell them a little bit about it, Greg?
It's very easy to use. You can just come right up to it when you first turn it on. Choose what test method you want. No-go, ramp method. Set your temperature very easily just by touching it. And then you're ready to run your test. So you walk up here, you've never used the equipment before, within 30 seconds you could be running a test.
Very intuitive.
Yeah.
So the other great feature that they've included now across the line is an internal barometer, where now the analyzer will automatically correct for barometric pressure for your flash point, so you don't have to do that manually.
Yeah, and that was a feature we've always had on our high-end Series 8. Now it's trickled down, and we put that into our Series 3 model. So no more looking at your charts, going to barometric pressure at the airport. So very good feature.
Yep. The biggest feature, one of my favorites, is now we have a built-in universal power supply. So whether you got 110 or 220 coming out of the wall, just plug your analyzer in, flip the switch, and you're good to go. Cleans up the lab bench, and you don't have to worry about chasing down that pesky power supply anymore.
Yeah, people take it home and think it's for their computer.
Yeah, that's a bad idea.
Also, too, now, we can
Yes,
export. We tested ready to go. We can actually export the data from a USB port.
Now all of them have a USB port on the front where you can take data off.
Yep. And that's because we have a built-in database of all your samples.
Yeah, so now it's actually saving all your measurements.
All right.
So let's look at each model we have out on the bench. We'll start here on my side, your right, my left. The first one here we have is a Series 8 ActiveCool that runs from 10 degrees all the way up to 135. Might notice this one looks a little different than the other ones. This one has electronic ignition, so you're not fooling with the gas anymore. Anything like that. We have an electronic igniter, everything's internal. And this one also is available with a stainless steel cup for your corrosive samples.
So again, that was a feature that was on our high-end Series 8.
Yeah, and they brought it down now.
They brought it down there at a lower price point. Very easy to use. You can still get it in this model, which is the gas.
Still have the gas available. We haven't gotten away from that. This here is also another ActiveCool Series 3, 10 degrees to 135, but with gas ignition.
Can I also do that with the corrosion-resistant cup?
Yes, sir. Any of the ActiveCools come with a corrosion-resistant cup as an option.
So 10 degrees, 135, corrosion resistance, aluminum cup, pretty much the same across the board except for the igniter.
Yep.
Okay.
So what do you have in front of you today?
This is our high temperature Series 3, so this is a little bit different. That besides Peltier cooling and heating, we're going to use cartridge heaters that allow us to go up to a higher temperature.
How high?
Up to 300 degrees C.
Okay, so we're
very
going
high
all the way
temperature. What we can't do is we can't go down sub-ambient. So really it's ambient temperature plus 10 or 15 degrees above that is going to be your lowest temperature up to 300 degrees C. So again, very, very wide temperature range, a lot of different applications, but where this does not shine is the sub-ambient lower temperature, and that's why we have the...
What about a corrosion-resistant cup on that one?
No, because a corrosion-resistant cup at stainless steel, because it's a Preston fitting, the expansion is different, and it will not work anything above 135 degrees.
Good to know.
So that's really...
That's about it.
That's about it. Great instruments at a great price. And again, the methodology as far as all your different flashpoint methods are available in the Series 8. So as your testing load grows and you want a completely automatic instrument, you can go to the Series 8 in the future and have the exact same test methods, no changes in your methodology. So thanks for joining us. We want to remind you, you can find us on the web at www.lazarsci.com. Send us an email, check out our products, request a quote. We're there 24 hours a day.
24 hours a day.
Take care.
Thank you.
Be safe.